child. Yeah, he just like, he came up behind me when I was, I didn't know he was in the field. He was like, I was like, fucking hell. So then I played that and he just started laughing. AI programmed my